and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repair missing or corrupted system files in Windows. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Command Prompt, and right-click on the Command Prompt application and select the Run as Administrator option. Please note, to run today's command, you have to be running Command Prompt as an administrator. Now type in the following command, sfc/scan now. Now hit the Enter key on your keyboard. A system scan will now begin, and it should take a few minutes to fully complete. While we're waiting, I'll explain what this command is doing. The command is a Windows System File Checker tool used to scan the integrity of system files and repair any corrupted or missing files found during the scan. When you run the command, Windows checks the integrity of all protected system files on your computer. These system files are crucial for the proper functioning of the Windows operating system. If the System File Checker finds any corrupted or missing system files during the scan, it attempts to repair or replace them with the correct versions. It uses backup copies of the original system files stored in the Windows Component Store, WinSXS folder, or installation media. By repairing corrupted or missing system files, the command helps maintain the stability and reliability of your Windows operating system. It can fix issues related to system crashes, startup problems, application errors, and other performance issues caused by corrupted system files. After completing the scan and repair process, the command provides feedback on the results of the scan, including details about repaired files, if any. You can review the scan results to determine the extent of file corruption and the effectiveness of the repair process. In summary, the command is a valuable troubleshooting tool for diagnosing and repairing corrupted or missing system files in Windows. It helps ensure the integrity and stability of your operating system by identifying and fixing issues that could potentially impact system performance and functionality. Now that we've reached 100%, you can see that the scan went well and no issues were found. If there were issues, they'd be listed here and an explanation of how they were fixed would be provided. And it's as easy as that. Repairing missing or corrupted system files in Windows is a fairly simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.